Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you a new icon pack that I have been currently rocking on my iPhone, and that is this icon pack called Peak by a designer that goes by XT. So what I like about this icon pack is just how awesome each icon pack how cool each icon is. So this icon pack is really unique than the other ones that I have currently seen online and on other people's setups. So this icon pack Peak is just really awesome because just by the name of it, it makes sense why the designer called it Peak. So each icon, of course, if you look at it, of course, like in the settings app here, it has like a settings. It has a settings writing on it, but also has pretty much the icons that you find inside the settings app, or like the messages app right here. You pretty much know that that's the messaging app just because of the iMessage, the blue bubble and everything that's going on right there. And same goes by with the app store. It has the app store logo, and then it has pretty much the icons that you see inside the app store when you open up the app store. So yeah, it's just really awesome, this icon pack. There are two versions of this icon pack. So there is a light version, which I'm currently using right now, and then there's the dark mode version as well, that you could go and download. So yeah, it's just really great icon pack. And as you can see, this designer took his time to design each icon pack. And what I like about this icon pack is that it supports a lot of third-party icons as well, and not just the default Apple ones that sometimes you only see. So yeah, like the Carrot Weather app has its own unique Carrot Weather application design right there. Now there are still some more icon packs that the developer does need to do to support the other third-party icons, and of course the developer has been doing a decent job of keeping these apps, this icon pack updated with the latest third-party apps as well. And like if you like, these are not the only designs that he has. He has a ton. So if we go to the Files app, which is where you could get where when you download the icon pack is where they'll be. So as you can see, he has support for, of course, Apollo right there, which is fantastic, and I just love the little Apollo logo with the little icons that you, of course, see inside the app. So yeah, and it just makes sense. This icon pack is just the simplicity, of course. You know what each app is because of the design as well, and I just love the simplicity of the design as well. So yeah, it just really stands out as well. You'll pretty much stand out from the crowd with this icon pack because probably your friends don't have this icon pack, and it's just so unique, and it'll probably get some head turnings as well. So yeah, it's just a great icon pack. So as you can see here, there's a ton of support for other applications that I don't have, of course, on my iPhone, or I don't really use them too much on my to add them to my home screen. So yeah, if you're a fan of Foursquare, there's the Foursquare application, the Google Assistant, which is really nice to see right there. So yeah, it's just a great icon pack that I highly recommend you guys go check out because it is amazing. Now, the only way to get this icon pack right now is by Patreon. So you can actually go sign up, and it's, I think, only $5 is the only tier that he has. So with $5, of course, you can go and download the light version and the dark version as well, and download all the future updates if you want to keep up with his Patreon as well. I currently canceled my Patreon with him since I only wanted to get the icon packs that he had right now, since pretty much the icons that he has are the ones that I need only. So yeah, just really great, and it just looks really nice on the home screen as well. I just love looking at the iPhone even more now. My home screen setup and sharing it, of course, on Instagram as well, where you could just like, you know, just show it off your icons, and people will keep asking, where did you get that icon pack from? Where did you get it? Now, of course, this is you do need the shortcuts app to use this. So every time you open the app, so like let's say Mac Hash, of course it will go through the shortcuts app. So if you're not a fan of that, then of course it does suck. But right now it's what we could do only. Maybe in the future Apple could fix this problem where it doesn't have to go through the shortcuts app. it doesn't have to open the app to open the app that you want to open. So hopefully Apple will fix that in the future. But for now, it's a decent way of course, customizing your home screen setup, of course. And so yeah, this is the home screen setup that I'm currently rocking right now. So of course, yeah, I have the color widgets, which is one of the best widgets, of course, that you can get right now for iOS 14. Have a fantastical widget right there to show me the date and the calendar, just simplicity in big form letters. And of course, I have widget wizard right there to show, of course, the future calendar, what's coming up from holidays or special events and all that stuff. So yeah, like I said, this icon pack is just really, really cool. I love it. It's like I said, I just love looking at designs, and like I said, you pretty much already know what each app is thanks to the icon design, and you know what when you press it, which app you're going to be opening up, of course. So if you didn't write anything, you'll still know what app that is. So like, of course, the TikTok app, you pretty much everything that you see outside in the app is what you get inside the app of the TikTok app, and all the other applications are the same. So that's why it's called peek, because you're peeking into the applications without having to open the apps, just by looking at the app icons. So yeah, of course, as always, I will post a link to this icon pack in the description below, so you guys go check it out and go support this awesome designer that has been doing such a fantastic job with this icon pack. And stay tuned for more icon packs as well, and other different setups as well. And that's it for now, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.